Iba na may-ari ng pwesto.
Nagka-problema.
Ang lalaki, oh.
Dalang plan.
Ang mahal po.
Meron.
500 isang.
Plastic ka pa naman, ano. Sige, kunin ko na tong sugpo.
Yes.
Oo, yung sugpo na nga lang akin.
Garlic patty.
Oh my God.
Suwaye, kamaliliit tayo niyo po.
Ayan, parang 2 kilo yata, tatlo.
Mga nasa 3 pa po.
Tatlo, 600.
Opo.
Parang maganda yan, ano?
Opo. Ako lang po ang pangit eh.
Ay, grabe ka naman, ate.
Patingin ako.
Kahit sa 300 na lang ito, ma'am.
300 yan.
Opo.
Ilang piraso po yan?
Ang bawat isa po mga pito, ganun po.
Ito.
2, 4, 6.
Isang, sakto na yan? Isang kilo
Ito
na
po,
po yan?
sakto po,
Oo,
isang
sakto
kilo.
na yan.
Kaya po, hindi ko pa po natitimbang.
Hindi, yung maliliit kasi ano eh. Yung sauce. Yan yung sauce. Ito yung lobster. Yan yung alimasag. And this is the finished product. Kain! Okay, oh. Ito yung sauce. Binabad ko yung isa. Para matry natin pagka binabad siya. Yum, 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 yum. Seafoods ulit sa umaga. May kape. Sinong may sabing hindi masarap ang tira-tirang cake? So yan, kainin natin. Marshmallow pala to. Yan, malamig yan. Kain, dessert. Diba? Kakain ang matakaw. So let's eat.
Refused to cooperate with treatment. The doctor informed her that there were many police standing outside the door, and if she didn't cooperate, she could only be handed over to the police. Hearing this, Anna immediately stopped. She knew that if she could just prove she was sick, her deaths and court proceedings would be postponed. Anna cried and lamented to the doctor about her tragic background, saying her father was an abusive alcoholic and beat her whenever he was drunk. Because status and was very angry. Why did she have to bear the company's enormous debt on Anna's behalf? Living told the story of her and Anna to a publisher. She not only paid off all the debt, but also earned a large sum of money. Anna's
Bye!